it for Christmas. Haha, you talk as if you had a lobotomy.
So you saw one of these online and you went, what is that? And then you tried to Google it and somehow ended up more confused than when you started. Don't worry, I literally make these videos for a living. Let's start from the very beginning. VTuber stands for virtual YouTuber. It's someone who streams or makes videos using an animated avatar instead of, or sometimes alongside, their real face. The avatar moves with them in real time, tracking their facial expressions, head movements, sometimes even their hands. It's basically the anime character version of you streaming live. Some people use VTuber models for privacy, like me. They don't want to show their face on camera. Some just love the aesthetic. Some are building a character for a whole lore surrounding their persona. And some, honestly, just thinks it looks cool. All valid, all correct. The term VTuber originally came from Japan. Kitsune AI is originally credited as one of the first big ones back in 2016. Hololive, Nizizanji, indie VTubers, there are literally thousands of them. If you've been on Twitch or YouTube in the last few years, you've definitely seen one without knowing what to call it. When people say VTuber model, they're talking about the actual animated character you see on the screen. That's the art, the rigging, the whole digital puppet. Think of it like you're a puppeteer and the model is the puppet, except the puppet responds to your face in real time, which is genuinely kind of magical. Your webcam or face tracking camera watches your face. Software reads where your eyes are, whether your mouth is open, whether their head is tilting, then it sends that information to your model and the model responds. Blink and your character blinks. Smile and they smile. It's not magic, it's face tracking technology, but it does feel like magic. So here are the three main types of models. There's 2D models. These are the most common types you'll see. The art is flat, it's drawn and illustrated, but then it's been rigged into a 2D space using programs like Live 2D. It's also called puppeteering animation. This is what most commissioned VTuber models are. Very cute, very customizable. The next type of model is a 3D model. 3D models are built like a 3D game character. There's potential for full body tracking. These are far more complex, expensive to make, and hard to set up, but the movement is incredibly fluid. Vroid Studio is the most popular free tool for making 3D models yourself. Finally, there are PNGTubers. This is the entry-level option. It's the cheapest, it's the easiest to make. Most of the programs that run it are free. This is simply a drawing of your character. It can go as simple from 3 drawings from talking, not talking, or muted, to a very complex version where the eyes blink and the mouth moves. It's actually really cool. You can get very in-depth with these. I personally love making these. This is tracked based off of the mic only, so there's no webcam tracking in this at all. The most common version of these is a Fugi React PNGTuber model. I make quite a bit of commissions from just these alone. They're very, very popular and you can do a lot with it. There are 4 paths to make a VTuber model. Path 1 is to commission an artist, of course. This is the most custom and common route that you can choose. But this is also probably the most expensive route you can choose. This is where you work with someone like me, a VTuber model creator, to build a completely original character designed just for you. You describe what you want, they design and illustrate the art, and work with you every step of the way. The person who rigs the model is the person who brings the drawing to life. And this is great because this model is fully yours. Nobody else can have it and nobody else can replicate it. When commissioning, check for their portfolio, specifically VTuber work, not just general illustration, because you have to have a very specific skill set to know how to split up those layers properly for rigging. You'll want to ask if they do the rigging or if they just do the artwork. Check their turnaround time, ask if they charge for commercial rights. I personally recommend VGen of all platforms. There is absolutely no AI allowed on the platform whatsoever. Specifically when you're on VGen, make sure to look at their terms of service. You have to read it anytime before you make a request to any of their art. Read through it very thoroughly. If you have any more questions, definitely feel free to give them a message. I'm not going to speak on other commissioning platforms. That's for other artists to talk about because I'm not very experienced with them. I usually only do one VTuber model at a time. My PNGTuber models are open quite more often. I just finished a batch. Definitely take a look at mine if you are interested in my art style. Path 2. Buy a pre-made or customizable model. Pre-made models are full fully finished. Someone made them, rigged them, and put them up for sale. You buy it, you download it, and you're basically ready to go. Platforms like Booth PM have thousands of pre-made VTuber models at every price range. The trade-off is someone else might have the exact same model, and you can't customize them. There are also tons of customizable VTuber models that you can buy on the VGen shop to make your dream model without having to pay the big bucks of a custom one. It's just that you're limited to whatever the VTuber rigger and artist made. I personally love them. I want to make some myself. It looks really versatile, and I honestly feel like this might be the future for VTuber models if it doesn't go straight to full-on 3D. But yeah, these are great for people who want to start now and don't want to do a PNGTuber at all, and if they aren't fully sold on what they want their design to be. Path number 3 is to make it yourself. Like me, you learn how to make it yourself because you're broke. If you want something for free and you are willing to learn, Vroid Studio lets you build a 3D VTuber model completely for free. There are sliders for everything: hair, face, eye shape, outfit. It's actually really accessible even if you don't draw. For 2D, Life 2D Cubism, that was hard to say, has a free tier, but you need illustration skills. More of a learn over time situation. So if you already know how to draw or you're comfortable with your art skills, you have YouTube at your disposal. You can learn how to make your own VTuber model from scratch. This is my first VTuber model, by the way, right here. This beautiful, creepy thing. And I loved making her. So you can see that the improvement is insane. The first one's gonna suck, but your second one and your third one, those ones are going to be so much better. Like you know how you improve in drawing, it takes years and years and years to improve in drawing. And when it comes to rigging models, it is not like that. You'd rig one model and you learn an insane amount, and then the next model is insanely better. So I just want you to just keep that in mind. I don't know, I hope that motivated y'all if you wanted to make your own VTuber model. There is a, I believe, 45-day trial for the full paid version of Live 2D. Take advantage of that. For a PNGTuber, honestly, you can commission a simple character art piece for $30 to $75 and use Fugi React for free. Super accessible starting point. You'll see my PNGTubers here for Fugi React. Like, you can go really in depth with it. Fugi supports GIFs, so you can do frame by frame animation. If you already know what you want your character to look like, I would highly recommend starting with a PNGTuber and just start streaming and start making videos. And then as you get better at making videos, as you start making money, as you get your YouTube channel monetized, as you get partnered on Twitch, etc., you can save up for that super expensive model that you want from your very favorite artist, you know? Path number 4 is to use an app. This is an instant route, and this is also something that I have absolutely no experience in. Please take my information with a grain of salt, and if you're interested in this route, do your own research. There are programs like Mascos that let you have a basic 3D VTuber model in literally minutes with no art or rigging experience. I only did a really brief look because I wanted to try and find a free alternative for an instant, you know, VTuber model to get you started. This is like if you want to get streaming done today and you don't want to spend money on content creation until maybe you start earning money on content creation. Think of this path as training wheels. You know, get comfortable, build your audience, and then invest in a proper model when you're ready. Now, the question is, how much does this actually cost? This is the question I feel like everyone is actually here for, and nobody gives a straight answer, so let me try and fix that. Here's a range. Take a screenshot if you want. As you can see, the range is massive. Here's what actually determines the price: how detailed the art is, how many expressions and toggles the model has, whether the artist does both illustration and rigging, or you're having two separate people, and how experienced or in demand the artist is. Pro tip: when you're just starting out, a pre-made model or a simple commission from newer artists is a really smart move. You'll figure out your style, your setup, your streaming habits, and then you'll know exactly what you want when you're ready to invest for more. And I know I've said that a few times already, but it's important. Getting the model is step 1. Here's what else goes into actually using it. And we're talking about live 2D models at this point. The other models, I'm pretty much done talking about those. If you want to learn more about them, go ahead and look up some other videos about them. So VTube Studio, this is the app that takes your face tracking data and applies it to your 2D model. For 99% of beginners, this is the software you want. A regular $20 webcam works fine to get started, but if you have an iPhone with Face ID, so like an iPhone 13 or above, which is what I use, it actually has an insanely accurate face tracker built in, and VTube Studio can use it directly. I got it refurbished for $200 off of a friend. Yeah, you can get an iPhone 13 for really, really cheap. I also use another program on top of VTube Studio to make my mouth look amazing. It's called VBridger. Now this is like $10 or something on Steam. If you want extra super duper yummy tracking, get VBridger. But honestly, starting out with VTube Studio, that's what I did. I started out with VTube Studio and a webcam. It works just fine. Now we're going on to the streaming tools. Now the streaming tools, I would say OBS or Streamlabs. Personally, OBS is so much better for your computer. I've been using OBS for years. I tried Streamlabs for a little bit, but it absolutely wrecked my computer. But Streamlabs also is a lot fancier and easier to use. I also use Stream Elements to set up my layouts and alerts and things like that. I have this cute little gotcha machine for whenever people follow, you get like a different shape or something. I really like it. I use a bunch of other tools, but we can do a whole other video on streaming stuff. To get you started, you're gonna need OBS and or Streamlabs. Your first setup does not have to be perfect. Some of the most beloved VTubers started with a $30 pre-made model, a webcam, and OBS. The model is the art, the personality, and the content is what makes people stay. So let's go over a recap. A VTuber is someone who streams with an animated avatar. The model is the avatar. There's 3 main types of VTubers: 2D VTubers, 3D VTubers, and PNGTubers. There are 4 ways to get one: commission one, buy a pre-made or customizable one, DIY, do it yourself, or instant apps. Cost range, literally free to several thousand depending on what you want. Software basics: VTube Studio, VBridger if you want to be fancy, webcam or iPhone, and OBS, that's your starter kit. If this video finally made VTubers make sense to you, come back, because I'm working on tutorials on the rigging process, how to design your own character, and so much more. And if you want to commission a model, I'm right here, link below. Subscribe if you're on this journey, and drop a comment below. Are you team 2D, 3D, or PNG? I'm actually pretty curious. Anyway, I hope you'll have a wonderful afternoon, evening, or morning, wherever you are in the world. I love each and every one of you. Bye bye. Mwah.